Hi friends, welcome to the Creatives Collabs, DIY Mushroom Decor, hosted by Urban Legend Antiques, Robinsbuyanddiys and DIYs, and Craftingwithindianniejones. Links to all the hosts and the playlist will be in the description box. Let's get started. Okay, I have one of the larger bamboo wreath rings and this crafter square fabric, 18 by 21. They're standard for their fabric. I saw the little mushrooms on it and I thought it would be perfect for this challenge. So pretty. It's got the little gnomes, very cottagecore, like spring appropriate. These DollarTree rolls are perfect for lumbar pillows. They're like the perfect size. You just double over your fabric and then you have a cute little lumbar pillow. But I want to use this ring. I think that would be really cute to make like a wall hanging with the bamboo ring and the fabric. So this is kind of, I'm gonna like press this out to get these wrinkles. So I'm just going to go in small sections, adding hot glue and pressing the fabric into the bamboo ring until I get it totally covered with the fabric. And then I'm just going to take my detail scissors and cut as close as I can to the bamboo ring. Add some of this yellow Astilbe, pick up on the sunflowers in here, and this bit of greenery. I have two types of wooden mushrooms that I found last fall. This matches what's already on the fabric. Add a mushroom right in the center. Mix this golden yellow, just a little bit of that. This Dollar Tree orange. Once my paint dried, I'm just going to hot glue my little mushroom right in the center. I was going to add more mushrooms around the little swag that I made on the bottom, but decided just this one in the little, and one little one in the middle was a cute little accent to all the beautiful mushrooms on the fabric. And then to hang this up, I'm just going to hot glue a bit of twine and then secure it with some cardboard onto the wooden ring.
I'm going to tell you about our giveaway. We are part of a creative collab for springtime mushroom DIY decor, and we're doing a giveaway. If you want to be part of the giveaway, there's 2 rules. Watch every video and leave a comment with the hashtag DIY mushroom decor, and you can win a $100 gift card gifted by me and all of the other wonderful creators in this collab.
For this DIY, I'm going to upcycle one of the Dollar Tree pots I previously painted, a tray, terracotta tray from Walmart, 4.28. So I saw this on Pinterest, and I want to make a garden mushroom. Set them up like that. So I need to go ahead and get this bottom portion covered in white to cover over this for my base. My red paint is all dry, so I'm gonna use this end and this to make the dots for my mushroom. And I'm using Gorilla Clear Grip glue to join the 2 pieces together for a permanent hold. This mushroom turned out so adorable, and since this will be an outdoor piece, I've covered this in Rust-Oleum water repelling treatment to protect it from the elements. I think it looks so cute next to this little gnome. Okay, so for this DIY, I have a couple of upcycled jars that I've removed the labels from. I found on Design Space free mushroom images. So I'm just gonna use these as storage jars for some of my crafting supplies. And I thought these mushroom images would be super cute to add on the front. So when I was growing up, I remember distinctly Tupperware with mushroom images on them. Like mushrooms was like this really big thing, I guess, during the 70s and flowed over into the 80s. In fact, one of my grandmothers even had mushroom wallpaper in her kitchen. Like mushrooms and the whole nature motifs was super big back in the day. So this is a bit nostalgic, and I thought this would be really cute to have mushroom images on these jars as like a throwback, as a nod to those old Tupperware containers and cups that I grew up with as a kid. This gray vinyl is the DollarTree vinyl, and this is like the second or third project that I've used this with, and it does give a little bit of trouble transferring where I have to like take my nail to kind of like hold it down. And this is the DollarTree transfer tape. Now I'm going to layer this for the red portion of the cap. I'm actually going to use Cricut vinyl that I found on clearance at Walmart. So that was a really awesome find. And I think it adds a really cute element to these jars. For this DIY, I have fairy garden figures from Dollar Tree, a wood slice ornament from Hobby Lobby, 2 packs of mushrooms from Dollar Tree, a couple of pastel ceramic coat colors, lime sorbet and paradise, and then my white paint. So these slices are just big enough that I could fit maybe 2 mushrooms. So I'll just use one of each, and then like one of my figures. So I want to color or paint my mushrooms in fun pastel colors since we're going into spring, and why not have a little fun with it. And once my paint was dry on my mushrooms, I took out one of the gnomes and did a dry fit on my wood slice to see how I wanted to have everything set up. Then I just started to hot glue my pieces down, and then I took more hot glue and a little green moss from Dollar Tree and from the floral section, and glued that moss around all of my little pieces, so it gave it more of a magical forest look. I'm loving the way this little piece turned out. Really whimsical and cute. I wish I had larger wood slices. I love the wood slices as a base, especially with the gnomes and the mushrooms. It just gives another element of like a cottagecore nature type feel. This little piece is just perfect to pop into a tier tray. Let me know, what do you think of it? And here's a look back at the other mushroom DIYs from this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Don't forget the playlist. I'll have a link in the description box. And don't forget to use hashtag DIY mushroom decor so you'll be entered for that $100 gift card giveaway. Thanks so much for watching. Have a magical day.